Hello kids, let's learn to draw some 2D shapes. This is rectangle shape. This is rectangle shape. This is right arrow. Right arrow. This is circle shape. Circle shape. This is pentagon shape. Pentagon shape. This is triangle shape. Triangle shape. This is octagon shape. Octagon. Rectangle. Right arrow. Circle. Pentagon. Triangle. Octagon. Let's color it. This is sky blue color. This is sky blue color. Dear kids, this is sky blue color. This is rectangle shape. Next one. This is right arrow shape. We are filling orange color in right arrow shape. This is light green color. This is light green color. Light green color in circle shape. This is light green color. This is light green color. Next one. This is red color. This is red color. We are filling red color in pentagon shape. Pentagon shape. Next one. This is brown color. This is brown color. We are filling brown color in triangle shape. Triangle shape. Last one. This is blue color. This is blue color. We are filling blue color in octagon shape. Octagon shape. Dear kids, let's rewind once again. Rectangle shape, right arrow shape, circle shape, pentagon shape, triangle shape, octagon shape. Thank you kids for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next video.